How about making a very royal and popular dish from very few ingredients? That's just some potatoes, tomatoes and onions. Do try this recipe made with very less ingredients. Surprise your taste buds. Stay tuned for the entire video. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this traditional recipe. So for this recipe I have taken a small onions around 300 grams. These I have peeled and these I will be using whole. So for this recipe I have taken a small onions. These are all not the shallots but medium size onions. And here small potatoes I have taken around half a kg. I have peeled them and soaked in water. If a little bit large size potatoes you are taking, medium size, you can cut it into half. And apart from that, paneer I have taken here around 300 grams and I have cut it into cubes. So for the spice mix, basic onion, ginger, garlic, tomatoes and some green chilli. And to give the exceptional red color, I have used here whole Kashmiri chilli or Mathania chilli you can use, or you can substitute with some normal Kashmiri red chilli powder, and some raw turmeric I have used. You can also substitute that for some turmeric powder. I have tried my best to show and use all the original ingredients that are used in this recipe, and again I have also stated the substitutes, you can use them. So all the ingredients I'll add in a blender, and this I'll blend it without using any water because tomatoes will add up to the moisture, and this is what I get, a nice smooth puree of all the spice. It's done. So let's begin. So I have taken here some oil, normal vegetable oil, to fry the paneer. So to make nice soft fried paneer, few tips and tricks which I almost follow every time I fry paneer is that first we should fry this paneer in medium flame, and once they are golden fried, I'll take them out from hot oil and dip them immediately in salt water. Adding them to salt water helps to retain the softness. So this trick I always use. Once the paneer is done, in the same oil I will be nicely frying this baby potatoes or small potatoes till they are golden brown. So once done, I will remove them from heat. As this is a very traditional recipe, so I am all following the steps that are normally followed for this recipe without any alteration. So if you want, you can saute them, but this gives the original flavor. And in the same oil, in high flame, I will be frying this onions for just 1 to 2 minutes, not more, because we don't want these onions to be overcooked. Thus the outer layer of these onions should be nicely fried. It's done. In 1 to 2 minutes it will be done, and I'll carefully remove them from oil. That's it. All the three ingredients I have nicely fried. In a separate pan I will be adding around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, and to it I will be adding some cinnamon sticks, Staranise, green cardamom, cloves, basically the whole spices, and bay leaves. Saute for around 20 to 30 seconds and then goes the paste in medium flame. So initially for 30 to 40 seconds in medium flame I will mix all this spice with the flavored oil, and once it's nicely sauteed I'll reduce the flame to lowest and cover it and let it cook in low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes, so that it is 50 to 60% done. You can see oil has started to ooze out. The flame is still low at this point, and now I'll be adding next ingredients, that's curd. So here curd goes around half a cup. This is the amount that I have used for 300 grams of paneer and half a kg of potatoes. If you increase the amount, you can also increase the amount of curd. Give it a mix in low flame for around 30 to 40 seconds, and then again in low flame I'll keep it covered for more 3 to 4 minutes till the spice base is nicely cooked, the curd is nicely mingled, and it has released considerable amount of oil. And at this stage first goes potatoes, and salt I'll add around 1 tablespoon or according to your taste. Give it a mix. First goes potatoes because potatoes need some time to absorb the flavor of this gravy. Again cover it in low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. In 3 to 4 minutes these potatoes will be 60 to 70% done because already we had fried the potatoes. After 4 to 5 minutes I'll add the fried onions, paneer, and half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder goes in. Give it a mix, and in low flame I'll cover it for around more 10 to 12 minutes. This is the time in which all the ingredients will absorb the flavors. That's it. I'll remove the bay leaves. If you want, you can add just 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, but for me the consistency is perfect. And after 10 to 12 minutes you can see the consistency. This is what the consistency should be. It's perfectly done. All the masala or spice base is perfectly coated with the ingredients and scrape from sides, and it's done. Now I'll switch off the flame and add some slitted green chilies, and then I'll serve it. You can see the paneer, the potatoes and the onions are intact, and it's nicely been coated with this masala, and you can enjoy this delicious recipe with some roti, naan, paratha. Basically in Rajasthan they have it with bhakri. So again, it's your choice. Do enjoy this recipe. And now it's time for the comment of the day, and today's comment is from Harish Chandra Singh. He writes, thank you very much ma'am for uploading this life changing experience cooking recipes about beautiful video. Thanks once again. God bless you. Om Santi. So thank you so much Harish Chandra for this beautiful and lovely comment. He has actually commented on the recipe of 5 types of aloo bharta or mashed potatoes. I'm so glad you love this simple recipe. Thank you for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. So next time you want to try something new with very simple ingredients like potatoes and tomatoes, do give it a try. You will love this recipe. And if you have loved the video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.